with stop us with the network difficulties, so that we don't talk about our altcoins. But if you were watching the first live stream we're doing now, we got disrupted due to network problems. But now we're back. So on this one, we're not going to spend too much time. We're just going to go straight into a list of altcoins, a little bit of TA, and strategy of how we're going to trade them. We told you guys about August, that it's going to be a big month for crypto, and it is still. A lot of coins are up. Ethereum itself is like over 70% in profit already. So you know what's up with that. All right, so some of you, we can see you coming in. Eddie, we stopped at Hedera hashgraph technical analysis. Let's go. We can finish this baby, then we can go. On you, sir. Can you now see it clearly, guys? You can hear me. I can hear you.
All right, sweet deal. Yeah.
Let's roll. They say it's
all right,
perfect
sweet
now.
Deal.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
On HBAR, TA got a little messed up there.
Bitcoin and crypto price movement detected.
Hope so. After we had to disconnect.
Yeah.
So just to finish up on HBAR here, if we break out of this structure, we're relying on exponential moving averages. We'll try and target this zone right here between 0.085 cents, 0.088 cents. Then we can target up to 0.097, all the way up to maybe even 10 cents. Now here, whenever we do reach 10 cents, there's going to be a lot of profit taking. We can expect that shit. So you want to make sure you're taking some profits along the way and adjusting your stop loss. Don't try and jump in right now. Let's wait to see how we test here, because there could be a rejection here. Remember, people have shown interest in taking profits at this level. So there could be a pushback down to
Eddie,
here.
Can you highlight that level? Because most people do not seem to pay attention to the extremes on the candlesticks. Like, that is a clear signal of profit taking right there. 1 and 2 at the very same level. One with the green candle and the second with the red candle. You cannot ignore that level. You do know that the moment we hit it, we're more likely going to see another sell-off before we continue. So you know that it's a bounce level. You can trade it twice. You could short it at that point because it's more likely to reverse, and then you can buy the consolidation below it to make money again on the way up, right?
Correct. That's absolutely correct. So whenever these exponential moving averages start trending up with price, if it gets rejection here, here's where you're going to want to look for support and buying opportunities to get in before that wall. You don't want to place your long right at that level of resistance. You'll wait for it to break above and test on the upside, or you want to try and get in with the moving average momentum of the trend and get in before you reach that wall. That way you too can be a profit taker. You don't get stuck holding the bag. If they're taking profits there, you're going to start taking profits. If it breaks, it goes through, then you're in for a sweet ride. You got a good early entry.
All right, what's the next coin? So this was Hedera.
So you want me to move into BNB, or were you going to share something with us?
No, just do a quick one on BNB. So the next one is BNB, of course. All I can say is that don't sleep on BNB. It's going to have its day. We can never have a rally in a market where BNB miss out on the action, right? So if you're looking for a mega pump that's going to be somewhat profitable in the short term, BNB to me is one of my picks that I'm buying aggressively, and I'm glad that it hasn't even shown its wing. It might happen this week. It might happen next week. Who knows? But I can tell you it's going to happen. Not financial advice, of course. Right? All right. Never financial advice. Let's go.
So technically on BNB, this does look like a really strong uptrend. It popped out of its pattern where we're expecting resistance and looking for support. And notably on the RSI, now we do see this type of rising wedge formation. We could look for some type of pullback in an instance, but I don't think here it's going to be as a drastic or violent pullback as it was a move to the upside, because we don't have any technical divergence here. We're still seeing, a series of higher highs by both the trading prices, wicks, and the close prices. They're not showing us any divergence on really any technical indicator that I'm observing. So while we could see some resistance here, because it's natural, there's going to be some resistance at the 200 EMA. People are taking profits who bought way back here. People are entering shorts. We can look for some support somewhere around this region, maybe like in 292. And if that doesn't hold, then the last support zone before a declaration of downtrend continuation
but do you
would be
see
around
do you see, Eddie,
271.
that it's literally now at a cusp of a breakout? Can you see that? We're
Oh
literally
yeah,
playing
it's pinching.
in a
Price is getting real pinched up right there.
yeah, we're literally in a territory of a breakout right now, retesting the previous consolidation level, which was higher, the higher consolidation level. And once we break out of that, I can see it really a full send to 400, really. So I'm still bullish on this BNB, and I think it's breaking out. What are indicators saying on that one? What is Nitros Bull is saying? What is our EMA? I can see the EMA is still red, right, which is a good sign. I want to catch it really on the green. When the green is painting on
Yeah,
the
it
EMA,
hasn't told us to
I'll
go
go
long.
aggressive.
The bull signal came quite a while back in June to go long. So if you follow the bull signal from Nitrous Bull, you're already in some good profits, even on the daily time frame. But here you can see I've kind of given a little bit of projection. I'll match that up with the colors. So if time, were to play forward, it's possible we could see some rejection right here, and the candlesticks may develop something like this. If support is found right here by the CMA, then they'll start to slope back together. Whenever we see that cross, especially the 50 come up and cross the 200 on the daily time frame, that's a bullish indicator. So the 50 EMA is right here, and you can throw that on in your own chart. Look for the 50 and 200 cross. When that is observed, it's usually a long-term indication of momentum reversal. So in this case, if we get a golden cross, it's going to mean that we have a lot of upside potential. So this could be the early stage of a trend reversal. When we're looking for a pullback, don't discount a move to 288, and like I said, possibly even to 267. But
Eddie,
that's what we're going to be looking for here with just a little bit of forward projection for the month of August.
Bovine is asking, which EMA are you using? Can you show him how to get the our EMA indicator?
Yeah, this EMA trading indicator here, we're going to have to go to, I pull it up on our website real quick. Let me open up another tab. So the EMA cross, anyone can use the EMA cross. That's available for free on TradingView. This EMA trading indicator here will tell us in the green, it'll turn green when it'll tell us it's safe to long. So that indicator you can purchase from our indicators page on the website. I'm trying to load that up for us right now.
Yeah, if you go to
Boom, we still have a discount on the package. Now, we were actually doing these bad boys 50% off, guys. We did that. We talked about it we promoted it, and we sold all these for 50% off, even the package deal. So, but now we still have this, and these indicators are also available right here. So all you have to do is go to our website and click on the indicators page, and you can find them.
Yeah, exactly. So if you want to get the indicators, you go to cryptouniversity.network. All the indicators that we use in our trading are available there. There's a massive discount going on. So make sure you take advantage of that after the live stream. All right. Okay, so let's move on. This is BNB. What's the next one on the pick? I'm just gonna announce all the ones that we have to save time, and then we can jump into analysis because I have to go, unfortunately. So there is. We discussed CVX already. We discussed HBAR already, or Hedera hashgraph. We discussed BNB. The next ones are Clay, KLAY, and the next one is Wi-Fi, YFI, and the other one is Ethereum Classic, of course, and Ethereum itself. Also, it's going to be a full send. All right. So, what is the strategy on this? So, I can tell you guys straight, like, with this kind of altcoins, I could have been, there's so much you can take on, right? Altcoins are very profitable if you know what you're doing, obviously. It might be a wise decision for some people to buy all the degenerate coins because they could go up massively as well. But because the bull market is not completely completely verified, the best thing that I think there is to do is to only buy things that are good fundamentally, and also they have good market structure technically to pump. However, if they don't, because the market could reverse, anything can happen. If they reverse, they also have a higher chance of recovering and continuing on the upside. So basically what I'm saying is that if things don't go our way, it can happen. We know that August is supposed to be a good month, but let's say it turns out to be not. macroeconomics happens and it goes the other way around. We want to be stuck with coins that we can sell at a later stage when the market recover, they will recover. So I don't mind so much accumulating a lot of these coins. For some of them that I'm a little bit short in the short term, I'm just putting on stop losses on them. So Eddie, could you demonstrate how you can structure a trade where you're entering with, like, say, a 50% profit potential at spot, but you're putting in a 10% stop loss? How can you project it on the chart so that people can see a technical example of what that looks like? And lastly, before I go ahead, somebody just reminded me here, it says Uniswap. Absolutely, Uni is also something you should add to that list. I don't know why I didn't want to talk about Uniswap, but I was looking at it earlier today. So I have something to share with you guys as well at the end. The private meetings that I will be hosting with you guys, absolutely for free. So just stick around. I'll tell you right after Edward is done showing you how to project a trade. It's your time, Eddie. So let's say we want to enter on BNB for 50% TP, and we want to put a 10% risk management stop loss.
All right, so for BNB, let's just say that we've done our charting and we believe the price is going to go up to some degree, and we want a 10% stop loss. We're just going to go ahead and measure out where the bottom of our swing low is. That's 43% to the downside. Sheesh. We don't want to have a 43% stop loss. So we're going to try and find some point in market structure where we can place our stop loss. In this instance, we can put it below the 100 EMA. This is going to be the 100 exponential moving average. So we have these tools over here on the side. We have a lot of tools on TradingView that we can use. But one of the tools that we're going to be using a lot is, if you're a futures trader, you can take shorts. But if you're in spot, which is what we're talking about right now, you're going to want to take a long position. So that just means you're expecting the price of the coin to go up. So here, whenever we throw this on the chart, it's going to automatically show us how much is losing and how much is gaining, right? If price moves into this red region, that's how much percent we're going to lose. If price moves into this green region, that's how much percent we're going to win.
So sorry, I'm going to have to chime in, not to cut you off, but this is absolutely good news. There's someone here who's sharing a story in the comments. They say, I'm a crypto university student and have been killing it over the past year. After 6 months in CU, I quit my job and doing crypto full time. So, yo, man, let's give him a hand of applause. Wait, applause or applause? Oh. Yeah. Oh, okay. So, I mean, I like to see these crypto success stories. In fact, I posted a video of a guy also that I met when I was traveling, who just bought a house after 2 years in crypto, and he started with zero money. So, Crypto University to the Moon, let me add this comment here in the chat so that people can see it, that there are actually guys that are changing their lives with crypto. And you guys that are doubting yourselves, you know, it's time to change that, all right? So, yeah, let's give him a hand of applause. Otherwise, Mr. Eddie, continue with that trade so that we can close.
Yeah, man. So this is, and just for everyone who's spectating, this is not the trade we're telling you to take. This is answering the question, how to set up the risk-reward ratio. So here on my screen now, we're looking at a 10% loss for a 50% gain. We can bump this up to our current market price, or we can wait and set up a limit order. So if we're waiting to fill this at a later price, because remember, we think there's going to be some kind of pullback, maybe into this purple zone right here. So we're going to wait for price to come into that area. We could set up a limit, or if you wanted to be aggressive, you could take a market order right now. And we'll use the market order for this example because price is right here already. And with a 10% stop loss, we can see if price travels this far against our entry, because this is where we're entering at current market price, which is 10. The tool tells us this. All we have to do is drag this little thing down and it'll tell us automatically how much percent we're looking to lose from our entry. We can even open up right here and put exactly how much our entry price was. So if it was a little different than what it shows on TradingView, when we put it into our exchange, we can recalculate and get our specific targets. So now we want to see if we were trying to get 50% move out of this, how Gray did on Ethereum back when it was around 900. Oh my God, in June, in the low of June, then that's something that you're going to want to set up. So if you had it on Gray's Ethereum chart, I have that Ethereum chart right here, then it would look something like this. Of course, you wouldn't be able to see the future, right? No one can see the future. So here we're setting up that 10% stop loss again, and we have a 50% take profit. And remember, Gray said he was already still 70% in profits, and that checks out, right? There's about
Right on.
70% level. So here, whenever you're making this chart, it might not look like it's possible.
I know,
But if
right?
you do your charting correctly, see here, it looks like it's really forced. It doesn't look like this is a good trade. It doesn't look like you should take this trade, right? Obviously, because price could come down here back even into this formation. That is super forced. But if you're in this instance right here, and you're seeing price come along to the low right here, you can wager on something like that. You can try and get in somewhere around here and target like, oh my God, look at this downtrend line here. Price could maybe come all the way back up here. That's pretty clear. Pretty
Yes,
clear there,
sir.
Gray. Sorry I
Yeah.
didn't take that one with you. I just thought that this flag, this pennant right here, I was watching this here, and that green line's already at the bottom, and I was just thinking, you know what? This shit's gonna go back down. It's going back down. That's what I was thinking right then and there. But damn. Yeah, that's how you would set it up, guys. That's the tool.
Yes, sir. So thanks, Mr. Eddie. That is really amazing of you sharing that. So before we close, guys, I will share some stuff. I know some people want me to talk about other coins as well, which we don't have much time for, but I would definitely like to talk about them. So I will go on another live stream tomorrow. But just to remind you, next week I'm going to be hosting a meeting, a private meeting for people who are in Crypto University. So expect an email where we're going to sit together in a Zoom call, and I will show you guys how to invest, a strategic way of how to invest and how to do it right now, because the market has changed now. The crypto market is not the same anymore. Things have changed, so you might need some new nuggets on how to approach it. So I'll do 3 meetings. Meeting number 1 is going to be for beginners, people who are new to crypto and new to Crypto University. They really want to get a proper head start. However, for you to do this, you have to be part of Crypto University. So make sure you go in and register as a student. And meeting number 2 is going to be showing you guys how to log your trades properly. And meeting number 3 is going to be about starting your own crypto business. I know I haven't been talking about P2P trading and arbitrage for a long time, but now I'm back in that world because a lot of money is starting to be made now in those markets. So I don't want anybody to miss out. So make sure you're looking out for all those meetings. Make sure you know what, you're in our Discord. Link is in the description of this video. Again, if you want to start trading, start investing in crypto, the exchanges that I recommend is Bybit. Link is in the description. There is also OKX. Link is also in the description. Both of them have bonuses. You sign up with my link and make your first deposit. If you're going to sign up to any of my links, make a $50 deposit first, minimum $50. Then you'll be entitled to get your free money. Why do I recommend that you use my link? Because I get some money. I get paid by inviting you. But you also benefit because you get your bonus. So it's a win-win situation. I know some people hate when you talk about, oh, sign up and use my link. They're like, oh, wow, why are you promoting this? I'm like, bro, aren't we all winning? Isn't that this is what it's all about, Eddie? I thought it was all about WAGMI. We all gonna make it. And if you win your trade,
Hell yeah, WAGMI, man.
if you win your trade, you will grow a mustache just like Edward. That's just what happens. It's a natural progression for traders. you know. Eddie, do we have any trading
I seen
competitions
some
coming?
guy on the internet put his bro, we have one that we need people to sign up for. We've got 3 competitors ready for a 4-man singles bracket. We need 1 more competitor for the solos bracket, and we still need like 3 or 4 or 5. We need a bunch of teams for the team trading competition. But everyone, talks tough, and no one wants to step up to the plate. Nobody wants to
Okay.
come trade live.
Can you tell me what they need to
So
do
we're
so
trying
that
to find. We're trying to fill those spots. If you go,
tell me what they need to do so that I can tell them exactly on social media as well, remind them what to do. If they want to be in the trading competition, what is the prize and
they
how to
need
get
to
involved?
go. The prize pool for for solos, the prize pool is $100 for the winner. Going to be 1 hour of trading. You go in with $100. Whoever has the most money at the end of the hour is the winner. You take
Woo!
one trade, you lose $7, and the other guy takes a trade, he wins $2. Well, fuck. But there's 4 traders, so everyone's going to try and do whatever they can in an hour. Whoever has the most money is the winner and gets the balance. Same deal for the teams competition, except it's a shared prize pool for the teams competition. So you and the buddy that you show up with, make sure he's a good trader, and then when you guys win, you split the prize money. And that one is a $150 prize pool. Same thing. We're going to go against some other teams in a live situation. Whoever comes out with the most money, starting with the $100 pool, because we know not everybody. You don't have to be a thousandaire, a millionaire. You don't have to break the bank to join this competition. It's only bring $100. Whoever has the most at the end of the hour wins. Pretty simple,
Absolutely.
right?
So let me make an announcement here. I will give away. I will surprise you guys in your next trading competition to all the university, crypto university members out there. I will put $1,000 for next week's competition. You down with that, Eddie?
Shit. So the winner gets $1,000 prize
winner
pool.
gets
So him and his buddy get
$1,000.
$500 a piece.
But I will announce the parameters for entry if you want to be part of that one. So make sure you're in Discord. The announcement will be made. And lastly, before we close, Nathan is asking, guys, is it true that people make money in crypto university, and how? I'm really interested. Man, you have asked the right question. Crypto university is the university of now, of people who really are serious about making money online, especially with crypto, by investing, by trading, by P2P, by doing all sorts of things. There are people who have paid off their debt. There are people who have quit their jobs. You heard it right now in the live stream. Somebody told you about it. So it's definitely better than your typical university that takes all your money.
G-Man bought a boat.
Oh, he bought a what?
G-Man bought a boat.
Yeah. Exactly. G-Man bought a boat. So if you want to buy boats and yachts
in a bear market.
In the bear market, man. Like G-Man is a G for real. So if you really want to be part of this crypto university family, man, make a commitment and join us, sign up, and you're going to be part of the cool guys. If you want to be in crypto full time, to quit your job and start trading, investing in crypto full time, that's how you're going to figure it out, right? So I just wanted to share that. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Shout out to Eddie, the professor, for joining us. More of Edward, obviously, in Discord. Make sure you check us out in Crypto Investor Discord. Link is in the description. Of course, destroy the like button. Thank you guys for watching. We're all going to make it crypto to the moon. And, of course, peace out.
Big douche players. See y'all next time.